Hey guys, get ready because today I have so many awesome lunch ideas to share with you. We seriously have the best subscribers on this channel, and because of that, Sundays are dedicated to you. If you're new here, I'm Jennifer, and I would love it if you would give this video a big thumbs up. And go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos just like this. Our first lunch idea was sent in by Caitlin. She's 11 years old and is from England. For her main course today, she requested a combination of spaghetti, cheese, and bacon. That already sounds delicious. So I'm actually going to start by boiling the noodles. Not too many here, I'm just making some for the kids. Next, I'm going to add a handful of Colby Jack cheese. I'm also cutting up some bacon to put in there. And there you have it, cheesy bacon spaghetti. To go along with this, she also requested a banana, some tomatoes. These are cherry heirloom tomatoes, so they're lots of different colors. To make these extra cute, I am going to go ahead and decorate them with these really fun picks. Up next, I'm also adding some dried apricots. Now, I would add fresh apricots, but there weren't any available at my store, so the dried ones will have to do for today. Now, I love to decorate with my food picks wherever I can, so I'm going to add this really cute giraffe one right into the apricots. Now, for her special treat today, she requested chocolate marshmallows, and I actually had a really hard time finding regular chocolate marshmallows. But I could find chocolate-covered marshmallows. These are just in time for Easter and they're shaped like an egg, so it's technically a chocolate marshmallow. I think my kids are going to love these. And then last but not least, for her drink today, she requested apple juice. Now, if I was actually sending this to school with the kids, I would definitely put the pasta in a thermos, but since the kids are just eating this at home on the weekend, this will be just fine. Let's see what they think. All right, guys, it's time to try the lunch. I have all the kids with me, including Griffin. You guys want to try it?
Yeah!
Let's start with the noodles first. What do you think, guys? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Yum! You want to try the apple juice?
Yeah.
Is it good, Griffin? Okay, guys, now I only have 2 of these little chocolate marshmallows. So I'll go ahead and open it and you guys can share. Uh-oh, this one's a little bit broken.
Well done.
Ooh, it's very stretchy.
Uh-huh.
Here you go. Here you go. Okay, guys, what was your favorite part of this lunch?
My favorite was the bacon noodles. I really like the juice.
And what about you, Lil?
I really like the apricots, the banana, and the juice.
Do you give this lunch a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Jackson, where's your thumb? Do you give it a thumbs up? Yeah.
See you in the next lunch.
Our next lunch idea was sent in by Dalal. She is from Kuwait and she's 15 years old. For the main course of her lunch, she requested a sandwich on Hawaiian bread. So that's exactly what I'm gonna make. My kids love Hawaiian bread. It's always a big hit around here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make 3 little sandwiches today. I'll go ahead and cut these guys open very carefully. I'm gonna spread a little bit of mayo on each Hawaiian roll, followed by some rotisserie chicken, and I'm going to top it all off with some slices of avocado. To keep the sandwiches together, I'm going to add this cute little cupcake emoji pic. For their fruit today, she also chose a mixture of raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. And I went ahead and threw some strawberries in there as well, just for fun. I love fresh berries. They are so delicious, especially when they're nice and ripe. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some pirate booty. If you've never had pirate booty, it's basically a cheddar flavored puffed corn snack. And then in this separate container, I'm adding a bunch of baby carrots. And then on this side, I know it doesn't look super pretty, but this is actually some really delicious garlic hummus. The kids can dip the carrots in the hummus and it'll be super delicious and pretty healthy too. Next up, we have the special treat. For Dalal's lunch, she chose brownies. So I have these perfect little Mr. Brownies I'm gonna add in. This is like a single serve brownie. They're so tiny and cute, and they're very chocolatey. And speaking of chocolate, for her special drink today, she chose chocolate milk. I know my kids will love this chocolate milk. It's definitely a treat around here. This looks like such a fun and happy lunch. I know my kids are gonna love it. Okay kids, who's ready to try it?
Me!
gonna try first?
Chocolate milk.
Show me your brownie on camera.
This looks like a yummy brownie.
Okay, Lily, what was your favorite part of this lunch?
The brownie.
And Jackson?
Chocolate milk.
And Kenzie?
Sandwich.
Do you give this lunch a thumbs up?
Yes. See you in the next lunch.
Okay guys, now this next lunch idea was sent in by Maddie. She is 11 years old and is from Maryland. Now I was actually really excited to see her lunch idea because it's something I know the kids love, some of our favorite foods, including some fried rice. Now I get this at Trader Joe's. It is so good, quick and easy. It's fully cooked. I just have to heat it up. There's lots of veggies in there and chicken, of course. This just takes about 5 minutes in the microwave to steam up and it's perfect, ready to go. Now to go along with the fried rice, another family favorite, this is the Trader Joe's Mandarin Orange Chicken, a classic. I think I buy this just about every time I go to Trader Joe's. It's so quick and easy and it's not too spicy, which is really important for my kids. Now this chicken was fully cooked, so all I had to do was pop it into my air fryer for about 15 minutes, and now it's nice and crispy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the mandarin orange sauce that came with the chicken, and then I'm gonna mix it all together. And this really does taste almost exactly like the kind you would get at Panda Express, but it's definitely cheaper if you make this at home instead. Now the kids will be eating this at home today, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the thermos anyway. I'll go ahead and put a little bit of the fried rice right on the bottom, and then I'm gonna top this with a good scoop or two of the orange chicken, and I'll get the lid on so it can stay nice and hot. Now one of the things that Maddie requested is some soy sauce to go along with this. Let me know in the comments down below if you like to put soy sauce on your fried rice. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit in each of these bottles. They are the perfect little size for sauces. To go along with this, I'm also adding some cucumbers, and I went ahead and cut nice big slices of cucumber with my crinkle cutter. So these are almost like a cucumber chip. And just like my kids, Maddie also likes to have ranch with her cucumbers. So I'm gonna have a nice big container on the side. Now Maddie also requested kiwi for her lunch. So I'm gonna show you how I cut the kiwi. So what I like to do is to cut off each end of the kiwi, then I very carefully peel the outside. Kids, don't try this at home. Then I very carefully make small diagonal cuts all the way around the kiwi. That way when I'm done, I'm left with this really cool sort of zigzag design. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and decorate these with some panda pigs just for fun. And then to go along with this, Maddie also requested some pretzel sticks. These are the huge honey wheat kind I get from Trader Joe's. These are really good, but as you can see, they are very large. So I'm just gonna stick a few right in there. For her special treat today, Maddie chose banana chocolate chip muffins. I'm gonna go ahead and add 4 little ones in here so the kids can just share them. And just because I can't resist, I am gonna go ahead and add some googly eye pics right in here. As you can see, one muffin has crazy eyes and the other one is sleeping. Now for her special drink today, something we don't normally have, I'm adding guava juice. And Maddie told me she loves to have it over ice, so that's exactly what I'm doing. And there you have it, there's Maddie's lunch. Now before I let the kids try it, I do want to go ahead and snap a picture to put on Instagram. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I post lots of pictures there almost every single day. Are you guys ready to try this lunch?
Yeah!
What do you want to try first?
Orange chicken. Orange chicken.
Okay, go for it.
Kiwi.
Okay guys, can you tell me what your favorite part was?
My favorite was the orange chicken.
Let's ask Lily next.
My favorite was the kiwi, the muffin, and the cucumber.
And Jackson?
I like the orange chicken and the cucumber.
Do you give this lunch a thumbs up?
Yes. Side. Yeah.
Up next, we have a lunch request sent in by Nia. She's 22 years old and is from Georgia. You guys know we love Georgia. For her lunch, I'm gonna start with a tortilla. This was an uncooked tortilla, so I went ahead and cooked it first. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of ranch dressing to this tortilla, and then I'm gonna spread it out all over. Next, I'm gonna add some leftover shredded rotisserie chicken, just a few chunks all over. I'm gonna top that off with some baby spinach. I love adding baby spinach to wraps and of course to salads and smoothies. Next up, the good stuff. I'm gonna add 2 pieces of bacon here. This is extra crispy bacon. And then I'm gonna top this all off with some cherry tomatoes. I went ahead and cut these very thin, and this is actually a couple of different kinds of tomatoes, so that's why you see some different colors in there. Now to wrap this up, I'm gonna start by folding over the bottom. Now to keep our little wrap together, I am gonna add a reusable pick right in this side, and that's gonna keep it nice and closed. So in goes our chicken bacon wrap, and then right next to that, I'm gonna add a little container of cheese cubes. For this lunch, I'm just using a Colby Jack cheese, so it's a little bit white and a little bit yellow all together. And to make our cheese cubes a little bit more interesting, I'm using my crinkle cutter. This crinkle cutter definitely makes things look more interesting. So I've added those cheese cubes in there with a cute little bunny pick just for fun. For the fruit today, Nia chose grapes, so I'm adding both purple and green grapes. I've also added a few picks in there. And then for the vegetables, something a little bit different. These are glazed carrots. So first I steamed the carrots until they were soft, then I drained off the water and added a little bit of honey and butter and salt and pepper. Now just a few more things to go along with this. First up I have some Pringles. Now I wasn't quite sure what flavor Nia enjoys, so I went ahead and just chose the ranch because I know my kids love the ranch flavor. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite Pringle flavor? And then next, the special treat for today is going to be some of these frosted animal cookies, otherwise known as circus cookies. If you've never had these before, they are sort of a classic vanilla cookie with frosting and sprinkles on the outside. This is not something that I buy super often, but pretty much the whole family enjoys them. So it'll be a fun treat in this lunch today. And then lastly, for her drink today, Nia just chose water, which is a great choice. Now it's time to let the kids dig in, and then we'll find out what they thought. Okay guys, go ahead and point to your favorite thing in today's lunch.
My favorite was the wrap. My favorite was the cookies and the wrap. My favorite was the cheese, the cookies, and the chips.
Ooh, you give this lunch a thumbs up?
Yes! Yeah.
If you'd like to see even more fun lunch ideas, you can click on the link right here. And if you'd like to see some yummy breakfast toast ideas, you can click on the link down there. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.